Hi, I'm Mike Morgan, R&D Specialist here at Danchuk. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the ignition switch from the dash. The reason we're replacing our switch today is because it's actually broken. The bezel's broken off and the keys was lost, so it's stuck in the on position so anybody could start the car. The first step will be to take out your tumbler, put the paper clip in the hole, turn it counterclockwise, it'll pop right out. The next step will be to take your ignition switch removal tool, line it up with the tabs on the nut, turn it counterclockwise, and the nut comes right off. Set those items aside. Now you're ready to pull the switch from the back of the dash. Once you get it out of the dash, the next step is to take the wires out of the switch. You can refer to the assembly manual or mark them where they were when you started. Once you get all the wires done, take it out and put it aside. Grab your new switch. Start hooking up the wires. Make sure you push the connectors on until they click. Insert the light socket. So the next step after you have all the wires plugged in is to put it up through the back of the dash into the hole. Like that. After you get it into the dash, put the bezel and the nut on. There's a little tab on the side of the switch that fits in a notch in the dash. Then we take the bezel and nut, put it on the front. After you get your nut finger tight, you can use the ignition switch tool to tighten it the rest of the way. After you have it tight, the next step is to install the tumbler. There's a little tab here that fits into the same shape inside the switch. It pops right in, and you're done. For more tips, please check out our Danchuk USA channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching.